Hello viewers, I'm Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.3 second sum. Let's see the question. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Collinear means it forms a straight line. The points form a straight line. Collinear means it's a straight line. We know that in the collinear line there will be no area. We can go with the area formula. It will be very easy to find if it is given as collinear. Area is just in a closed figure, only then we can find the space occupied by the closed figure is the area. Here there will be no area, there is no closed figure, so no area. We know that for a collinear, area will be equal to 0. So we know that area is equal to 0. Just substituting the area formula with equal to 0, we can find the value of the variable, unknown variable. So you can directly write as the points are collinear, then area is equal to 0. Write the area formula. Area is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now we got the area formula. Take the first sum. We have 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1, 3 comma k. Here this one is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this will be x3 y3. Just substitute the value in the area. We know that area equal to 0. Just substitute it half into 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1. While substituting, while solving, we can write this is equal to 0. Now we know that this is equal to 0 because area is equal to 0. Taking half to that side, it goes into 2. So 0 into any number will be 0. So you can remove this half, multiply it inside. Here this is common to both, so we need to multiply both the numbers. So 7 ones are 7 minus 7k plus 5k. Even here we need to multiply plus 10. Here we can solve. It is minus 3. Minus 3 into plus 3 will become minus 9 is equal to 0. Solving the like terms, we get minus 2k. Here 10 minus 1 will be, 10 minus 9 will be 1. 1 plus thing is 8 is equal to 0. So minus 2k equal to minus 8. Because I am taking 8 to that side, it becomes minus 8. So k is equal to minus 8 by minus 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. 2 4s are 8. Now k is equal to 4. For the first sum, they have asked to find the value of k. Here the k is equal to 4. That's all with the first sum. We'll move on to the second one. The second one also, it is the same. We know that area equal to 0. So directly we are going to substitute area formula and writing area is equal to 0. As the points are collinear, area will be equal to 0. That is, area of a triangle will be equal to 0 because it is a 3 points. So we can take that to be a triangle. Now area is equal to, I'll write the points first, 8 comma 1, k comma minus 4, 2 comma minus 5. Area is half into, here 8 into this minus this, so minus 4 plus 5. Now plus x2 into second one minus 5 minus 1. Now plus 2 into, now this minus this, so 1 plus 4. Minus means we need to change the sign of the second number. We can easily do it, we can fastly do it. Just change the second number sign. Now we know that this is equal to 0. If half goes to this side, it comes as into 2. So into 2, 0 into 2 will be 0. So you can directly write equal to 0. Now here half into, here plus 1 into 8 will be 8. Plus we need to multiply, monomial multiply, we need to multiply with both the terms. So it becomes minus 5k minus k. So we can solve this. I have left Now minus k. We can also solve this and we can multiply it with k plus here 5 into 2 will become 10. This is equal to 0. Now I am taking half to that side. Here it becomes 8 minus 6k plus 10 is equal to 0. Just solving it. 6k plus 18 equal to 0. Now bringing 18 to that side, minus 6k is equal to minus 18. Minus minus get cancelled. K is equal to 18. It is in multiply. It comes as a divide. So 6 3s are 18. K is equal to 3. We have found the value of k to be equal to 3 for the first sum and 4 for the equal to 3 for the second sum and 4 for the first sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.